Just like to alert the senators and across party and indeed the Dáil and indeed councillors around the country that we have a huge problem in our own country here with healthcare assistance. And the reason we have the problem is that we don't have enough of them. And the reason we don't have enough of them is because they cannot come to this country under what we call critical skills, which is eligibility to come and work here. And there is an inavailability of lack of suitable staff within our voluntary, private and public nursing homes. And I don't know whether anybody noticed or not, but we are an ageing population. We are getting older, and those who are becoming frail and feeble, even within their homes, within communities or within nursing homes, need health care assistance. They need health care assistance to feed, to wash, to turn, to dress and to be their friends, because they're there 24 hours of the day. Now, we cannot get candidates in Ireland for these positions, and we are looking outside the EU. We're looking to the EU, but they have their own problems, and we are looking outside the EU. So I am calling on the House to think of this. I've written to all the ministers about it, and I'm trying to organise some way of changing the ineligibility. Did you know, senators, that you can come here as a bone person within an agricultural or within a meat factory, you're eligible, or a sheet metal worker, you're now eligible, but you're not eligible if you are going to deal with a human being for 24 hours of their lives every day of every week, of every month, of every year, that they happen to be in the home or in their community or in their own home. And it is extremely important that we have some kind of a pilot scheme with India, Mauritius, especially India. Our Taoiseach is from an Indian background. The greatest nursing and doctor and medical staff have come from India, and maybe it's time we set up a pilot programme to see how we can work this. And I think that we should come together across all divides here to organise this problem. Because most of the young people who come to try and help have to either reapply for visas, they're ineligible because they're not under what you call critical skills. It's very simple. We could expand it. When people talk to me about immigration, they don't know what they're talking about. We need people to come from other countries to help us stay alive on our own island as we get older and as our children grow up and get educated. What are we talking about? We have all the wrong inferences about immigration. All the wrong inferences. Anyway, so I wonder I'm sorry the Senate is not fuller, but I wonder would the senators think about this, because I'm actually going to pursue it over the next 2 or 3 weeks. Thank you.